If you want to learn from the best, there is only one name, and that is Simandar. And to get a good education from Ahmedabad, if you have to go to Hyderabad, you should. I tried asking my employees that they are mujhe bhi CP karna hai, please show me some path. And from everywhere, there was only one name which came in, and that was Simandar. Literally, I asked these people who were sitting in front of me and we were having a cup of tea, "Kya bolte ho yaar? Simandar is something, it's like this education institute is in Hyderabad and we are sitting in Ahmedabad. मुझे ऐसा कुछ बताओ जो मैं अहमदाबाद में कर सकता हूँ, जैसे मैंने सुना है से या ऐसा 2-3 नाम कुछ और है का सर आपको CPA करना है कि टाइम पास करना है." What I have seen about him is the way he treats his students, the way he nurtures their life, the way he fights for them. Because I have seen him fighting for his students in India and the same thing he keeps doing in US. We were together in US and I was seeing how he used to meet Nazba heads and all and was just fighting for the rights of students. नहीं sir, ये तो होना ही चाहिए. Our Indian students needs it. You have to think from that perspective. So the perspective, I have seen so many educational institutions. I have worked with them. I have taught in many places. But the way he is doing it hats off to me. So I don't consider him only an educationalist. I consider him to be a parent of all the students.
When we talk about Shripal, two words specifically that comes to my mind. One is ethics and one is values. I think those two are the most important to me when I kind of resonate myself as to who will be the guru that I will be under. And I think Shripal is a guru in the CPA industry, always talking about ethics, always talking about values.
Talking of Shripal and Simandar, we have a lot of things in common, and I learned about Shripal a lot when we did a podcast last month. He holds so many characteristics of becoming a guru, and I can resonate with that. First of all, he, as a you and me, very humble. He's coming from a family, very modest family, and the struggle that he and his brother has done, tremendous. That tells a lot about himself, like the humility that he carries.
We have been working with Simandar Institute and with Shripal for quite a few years, and he has been kind of source for providing the good talent to the QS Global Group, and we are very thankful for everything that you do. And he is a kind of guru of the CPA community because he has brought that awareness in the Indian market. And one thing which I like about Shripal, consistently, he always worried and concerned about the student. Whenever he interact with anybody from the community, he always said, "Neeraj, like what will happen to this higher act? What will happen to the H1B visa? Is it enough opportunity for the CPA student in the future?"
One thing that I really like about Simandar and Shripal sir is that it's not only enrolling the students in the course, because there are ups and downs while studying that we get overwhelmed, we are having second thoughts that are we doing the right thing or not, but then following up and making sure that we prepare ourselves for the exam and then appear, and then after that the post-examination help as well. So that is a great part. And then Shripal, thank you very much, because now we were literally struggling to get the good CPA or talent to hire in our firm. You being in Ahmedabad is definitely going to be advantage for all of us here. So thank you so much.
He's extremely passionate and he's very pushy for the students as well. I think that's a wonderful hallmark of a leader.
I wish you all the luck. I'm glad that you are in Ahmedabad. We'll have more talent to hire from you. So good luck and thanks for being here.
I think I'm meeting Shripal for the first time today. A lot of people have asked in my organization also that they want to do CPA, where they should do it from. So before answering to them, we also need to do our research. What is the best place to do CPA from? I don't know what anything there is. Everywhere I've only heard Simandar.
Simandar is a place, I would say, under the leadership, under the guidance of Shripal sir, is the best place to be to pursue a CPA or any other professional course that you're looking for. He's always available, very approachable. So I definitely recommend people, after having real testimonial from my staff, that you must at least look once and try to understand what Simandar is offering.
Well, you have created your own niche. As a leader in your industry, you pushing all of us to at least come and be on time, where that is itself talks a lot about your character.
I want to strand upon what Simandar has done, and the mentorship that Shripal sir brings for you makes things so much easier for you. So having someone like Shripal sir who is always there to guide you, mentor you, is invaluable. He already have a lot of students from Ahmedabad, even without having a center, but now having an actual center in Ahmedabad is going to change the landscape for further education.